Hey, Jim. Oh, it's kind of warm today, so I figured instead of working in this hot garage, I'd give you a quick little pointer for the summer. So I'm going to show you how to make a waterproof case for your tablet so you can use it in the pool or the bathtub. Start out with a lovely tablet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop it out of the case here, and then I'm going to put it in this gallon Ziploc bag, and then we're going to go swimming. Okay, it's out of the case and into our poor man's waterproof case. This is going to work great. It's easier with two hands. All right. So here we have it, and you can see that it works. This touchscreen works through the bag. There, it just opened up. Yeah, so it works really good. And then you can do this with it. Yeah, it still works fine. Huh? Whoop. Where are you going? So that's how you make a... Oh, seems to be leaking. Uh-oh. Now I gotta get this open. Oh, how is it leaking? It did get a little bit in there. Okay, so this isn't the greatest idea. Oh shit. In Ludicrous Plus mode.